Oh yeah, y'all boys, I done got better with that the downshift on second. I've been practicing that. I've been in the lab with that too. This camera's so big on my head. As y'all can probably tell, it's like way lower now because I got a adapter piece, extender piece, whatever you want to call it. Cause I was tired of my POVs being on top of my head and not eye level, so I got a fat camera on my head now. Get a tune too, man. I ain't got a tuner yet. I'm gonna definitely get one though. There's some dirt flew on my eye. I can't see, boy. You slow this thing down. It is so hot. I'm trying to make y'all boy the POV and it's hot outside like this. Oh my, that just sounds so clean and so mean, like at the same time. Like, what do y'all mean? That just got me freestyling. As y'all can see, second shift, downshift, pretty butter. Pretty butter. Oh, I went in the wrong. Hey, y'all ain't seen that. I ain't seen that. We gonna set up the Insta 360 for y'all boys, man. Hold on, give me a second. The rest of the footage is gonna be on the Insta 360. I don't know how much battery life this camera got, so y'all ain't gonna hear me. Y'all just gonna hear the car. So hopefully y'all enjoy that view. Don't want to be trespassing or anything. Alright, I'm about to go ahead and switch y'all boys over. 1, 2, 3. we got the GoPro back on. They driving slow right now. I think I got the Insta 360 on too, if I'm not mistaken. I think I paused it. They ain't even doing that for real, bro. Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can do something for y'all, boy. I'm gonna see if I can record the audio from the GoPro and then put it on the Insta 360. It might sound kind of weird because, you know, I'm gonna be inside the car and y'all gonna be hearing me. So I'm gonna see how that sound or how that do. I got the Insta 360 on right now. It said 20 seconds. Alright. I got all this. I know I was about to start just now. All this equipment on me, y'all boys. I'm about to go get a car wash. So y'all know what that means. That probably gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna see if I can find something before I get my car wash. I gotta take the Insta 360 off. If I go in that car wash with the Insta 360, it's going to be destroyed. So I'm what do they got going on? I'm gonna take everything off. And I'm gonna get my car wash and I'm gonna go ahead and complete my day and edit this thing up and then go ahead and post it for y'all boys. So and nobody ain't told me, but the Insta 360 most definitely bring a lot of attention because somebody was beside me and I seen them like they kind of pulled up to see who I was, but my window was up so they couldn't really see me. But I seen them, but they couldn't see me though. But you know, that was kind of weird. We're gonna go down here to this where I be seeing cars at. So we're gonna go down here and see what we got going on. I had people revving up for me and everything. Oh my, it is getting hot, bro. I don't know if it's because all this equipment I got on me or all this attention, but it's getting hot, man. Just so I can sync it up, this the minutes right now. I'm about to go in a little 360 car wash right down there, but hey. Anyway, man, I hope y'all boys enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, man. It's your boy Zell, I'm out.